guys, welcome back. So we are going to jump right in. I'm using this Benefit Air Patrol eye primer. We're going to apply this all over the eyelid as well as the lower lash line because we are going to blow out this look. Now to move on, we are taking this Revolution Vivid highlighter and I'm going to apply it to my eyebrow bone area, and this is the one in Golden Lights. Now taking my Nubian palette, I'm taking this color in Morocco. We are going to apply this on our outer crease. Notice that I am blowing out that color by dragging it out a little bit more, and be sure to do this very light-handedly because you don't want it to be very opaque on the outsides. Now with my Kat Von D Shade Light palette, I'm taking this darkest shade of the contour palette. I'm going to apply it to my corners of my eyes just to give my eyes some definition for when we do our little cut crease. Since we are going for that fiery look, I'm going to apply a little bit of this yellow eyeshadow just on the outer perimeter of that orange color we used earlier to give it that gradient fade. Now time for the fun part. I'm taking my Tarte concealer with a concealer brush. I am going to basically cut my crease area. Make sure you're looking down at a mirror so you know the shape of your eye. And make sure you also look straight at a mirror so you can basically map out where you want that cut crease to be that fits your eye shape. Now using that same yellow again, and I'm gonna pack this right on top of that concealer. You want to make it very, very bright and pigmented because this is the main color. Now I'm taking a black eyeliner. This is the Sephora Black Lace Matte Black Eyeliner, and it's waterproof, I believe. I'm applying it to my lash line, and I'm gonna smudge it out with a smudger brush. Also, I am going to apply a little bit of black shadow just to intensify the corners and set that black liner in place. Now going back to that same Morocco color, I'm going to apply it onto where that yellow is on the cut crease as well, just to deepen the color. I felt like the yellow was a little bit too bright. Now with the same vivid highlight color, I am applying it to my inner corners, and I throw in some falsies and mascara on the bottom as well, and that's the complete eye look. Now we're going to finish off the face. For blush, I'm using this Nars Amour blush. It's a matte blush just because I want the most concentration on my eyes, so I'm not going to apply anything too shiny on my face. Now I'm taking the contour palette. I'm using the middle shade and contouring a little bit of my cheekbone, a little bit of my nose, just to add a little bit of a color back to my face. for highlight today. So I'm using this Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and I'm applying a very light hand on my face just so it has a little bit of dimension back without it being the main concentration. So for lipstick, I am applying a nice nude shade. This is the NYX Circe, and it's just a nice cream nude, pasty nude shade, just because I want, like I said, the main focus to be on the eyes. And that completes the entire look of this lit, fiery, hot look. Bye!